Welcome, my friends. This is Rozani. Here's a brief update on the progress of my little ravens. This is the smallest of the two, and I'm still working on wing details, primarily the feathers. I began these last year, and you can find the videos in my playlist on this channel. And of course, these were made using my Papier Mâché techniques with liquid starch. I'm getting closer to completion, and I wanted to give you a little glimpse along the way. And the Halloween season is perfect for ravens. Now this is a larger one. And there again, I'm touching up with some more feathers. And these are not accurate as far as the anatomy. They are experimental versions, but they are so much fun. Here's another view of the larger one. And that's all I have to update on the ravens for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that your Halloween projects are coming along nicely. Bye for now, and I hope to see you next time.